The brief halt, Earth's pause and spin. Imagine Earth suddenly halting its rotation. The immediate chaos would be unimaginable, affecting every aspect of life. The interconnected systems of our planet would face unprecedented challenges and disruptions. The abrupt stop would create immense kinetic energy. This energy would be transferred to everything on the surface, causing massive shockwaves. Buildings, landscapes, and people would be thrown violently. Wind speeds would skyrocket as the atmosphere continues to move, creating superstorms. These intense weather patterns would wreak havoc globally, causing widespread destruction and altering climates almost instantly. Oceans would react with ferocious force. Tsunamis and tidal waves would sweep across continents, inundating coastal areas. Marine ecosystems would be devastated, leading to long-term environmental consequences. Buildings and infrastructure would suffer catastrophic damage. Skyscrapers would topple, bridges would collapse, and roads would buckle. The structural integrity of man-made constructs would be severely compromised, leading to massive losses. Human survival would face immediate threats from halted Earth rotation. Sudden inertia shifts could cause widespread injury. Long-term effects include disrupted agriculture and critical resource shortages, threatening global food security. The sudden stop would cause atmospheric turmoil. Winds would reach catastrophic speeds, reshaping weather patterns drastically. These changes would make current weather forecasting methods obsolete, leading to unpredictable climate conditions. Oceans would react violently, generating massive tsunamis and tidal waves. Coastal regions would be devastated, and marine ecosystems disrupted. The immense water displacement would interfere with ocean currents, affecting global climate regulation. Buildings and infrastructure would suffer severe damage as they are not designed to withstand such forces. Skyscrapers might topple, bridges could collapse, and essential services would be disrupted, complicating rescue and recovery efforts. Earth's magnetic field might experience distortions. This could interfere with navigation systems and animal migrations. Potential disruptions in magnetic protection might expose the planet to heightened solar and cosmic radiation levels. Seismic activity would surge as Earth's tectonic plates experience sudden shifts. The abrupt halt could trigger massive earthquakes, reshaping landscapes and causing widespread destruction in densely populated regions globally. Human reaction and panic would be immediate and intense. The psychological toll from such an unprecedented event could lead to widespread chaos, mental health crises, and a strain on emergency services. Power grids would suffer catastrophic failures, resulting in widespread blackouts. The sudden stop would disrupt the delicate balance of energy distribution, leaving millions without electricity and vital services. Global markets would react with extreme volatility. Stock exchanges would plummet and trade would grind to a halt, leading to an economic crisis that could take years to recover from. The scientific community would mobilize rapidly, focusing on understanding and mitigating the event's impacts. Emergency research would aim to develop strategies for survival and rebuilding, enhancing our preparedness for future scenarios. The sudden halt of Earth would trigger unprecedented economic chaos. Stock markets would crash as businesses cease operations. Global trade would halt, leading to shortages and skyrocketing prices for essential goods. The scientific community would scramble to understand and mitigate the disaster. Researchers would employ advanced technology to analyze the phenomenon, offering insights and potential solutions to minimize the catastrophic impact on humanity and the environment. Historical records indicate no parallel to such an event. However, past natural disasters, like massive volcanic eruptions, provide limited context. These events show humanity's resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Comparing this scenario with science fiction reveals stark contrasts. While movies often dramatize such events with quick resolutions, real-world consequences would be far more complex and prolonged, demanding extensive global cooperation. In conclusion, preparing for such hypothetical scenarios is crucial. Investing in research, infrastructure resilience, and international collaboration can help mitigate the fallout from unforeseen cosmic or terrestrial events, ensuring humanity's survival.